Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the process for how to find live videos on Instagram. Now first of all, you open your Instagram application. Now on the bottom of the navigation bar, you need to tap on the search icon. You tap on search. On the search bar, you need to type on IGTV. Now here you will see the top option. From here you move it to the tags and you tap on the first hashtag IGTV option. Now you need to find a IGTV video from here. You will see the IGTV video is marked with an IGTV icon. You tap on that. After you tap on IGTV video, it will expand. Now here you need to tap on the IGTV icon on the video that's currently playing. You tap on that. With this, the video will expand. Now here you will be able to watch the video on full screen. Now on the bottom right corner of the video, you'll see a browse IGTV option. You tap on that. This will allow you to see random live videos live stream on Instagram. After you've tapped on browse IGTV, you'll land on IGTV page of Insta. Here it includes the live now and videos for you. You tap on the live now and tap on see all just beside it. Under live now, you will see all the random live videos on Instagram. Once you tap on see all the live videos that are currently ongoing will be shown to you through Instagram. This is how you can find live videos on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.